Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to zoom out on a photo in LinkedIn. This is helpful if we want to adjust how our profile picture appears so the full image fits properly. Let's get started. On our LinkedIn dashboard, we have a photo here and we want to zoom out. We just need to make a small adjustment. All we have to do is click on the profile photo and then click on the Edit button as shown here. We can zoom in and zoom out using the slider. Just adjust the image as needed. We can also adjust the crop. We can also straighten the image, but if we want to zoom out, all we have to do is move the zoom slider to the left, then click Save Changes. That's how we zoom out on a LinkedIn photo. With this simple adjustment, we can make sure our profile picture looks clean and well positioned.